Hey guys, Surge Garage. We're back with a short video today, and today we're going to be installing a slip-on muffler onto the Lowrider S. I was able to get a Bassani slip-on for it from the local dealership, heavily discounted, mainly due to some things that they kind of did wrong. I'll be getting into that in a future video, but for now, let's dive right in, hear how the bike sounds stock and how it sounds with the new exhaust, and I hope you guys enjoy the short video. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, first things first, we're going to get started with a cold start. The bike has been sitting all day, so absolute cold start, and let's see how she sounds stock. So we're going to start with our 4-inch Bassani slip-on. As you can see here, we have a very heavy discount of 175 bucks. So like I said, I'll be going into that in detail in a separate video, kind of addressing what Harley did and what they did wrong and what I think they could have done better. But for now, let's check out this slip-on. If it'll slip out. Important warranty information: inspect exhaust system for cosmetic or physical damage. Cool. Alright guys, here's the 4-inch Bassani slip-on exhaust. At first glance, we are cutting way back on the size of the stock muffler. Hopefully make it a little louder. I don't want it super loud. And then, just other than that, I did order in a different flute design on this end cap and a bunch of other cosmetic stuff that I'll make a video for all of those together. Since it's just a bunch of little stuff, don't want to make a bunch of little videos. But yeah, let's get to installing this. Alright guys, and super simple, just like that, we have our slip-on exhaust installed. Now let's hear what it sounds like. It's definitely louder than the stock, and it sounds a little deeper. Has a real nice tone to it. I'm very pleased with how this slip-on exhaust sounds. Like I said, it's a little louder than the stock and definitely a deeper tone to it, but it's not raspy and it's not obnoxious so far. We'll see how loud it is once I'm on it and riding down the road. That's going to sum up our slip-on install video for the Lowrider S. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, like I said, I'll be putting out a video highlighting kind of what went wrong with Harley and what led to that discount, as well as another video coming up for a bunch of small cosmetic mods / upgrades that I got for the bike. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.